Good evening, everybody. Right now we are on our way to the beauty store because you have all requested for me to do a beauty store makeup challenge, I guess. And you guys, I'm not talking about Ulta or Sally's or Sephora or anything big like that. We are just going to go to your casual, regular, everyday beauty supply store. The places that sell hair, they sell makeup, they just sell some of everything. So we're going to go and check in at the one down the street from my house and then see what we can find. So let's do it. Okay, so I think we're here. Y'all, I'm not really sure what's going on here. Let me turn this camera around so you can see. Woo, child, the ghetto, like, what? Okay, yeah, I'm a little over it. Y'all, please do not take y'all's kids to fairs and parking lots. That just doesn't sound safe. So, here we are, y'all. Here's the beauty mart that we're gonna go to. Let's just check it out and see what we can find. Okay, so I'm about to make my way in here. I forgot to lock my car. So here we are at a beauty mart, I guess. Hi.
You where?
Okay, y'all, so we have like
a lot
of different assortments of things. Oh, y'all, look at this.
Okay, yeah.
What? It's all glittery, like, it's pretty.
Mom, what you doing? Where the baby at?
Oh, child, they have glitter gloss. Okay. Yes. And these are $2.99, you guys. You cannot beat it. Okay, we're gonna get a couple of these. Let's see. There's so, like, an assortment of lipsticks, girl. Like, what? Look at all of these colors. Like, I'm obsessed. What? They have colored mascara. Alright, okay. We're gonna try a couple of these. Oh, y'all, and we are in eyelash heaven. Like, please look at all these eyelashes. Like, what? Okay, like, I'm really shook right now. Oh, and these are like bronzers, I guess. Oh no, it's baked eyeshadow. I haven't heard that in a long time. Okay, well, now I've just been doing a whole bunch of looking, so now I need to start like buying. Yo, I'm still really drawn to this glitter palette right here, so I'm gonna put it in my basket. Glow Magic bronzer. It's really shiny. We'll give this a go, I guess. Oh my goodness. This is pretty. This is really pretty. Oh, y'all, we have like some knockoff, like, I guess Jeffree Star lip colors. We're just gonna get a few of these. Just a few. Just a few. Finding my color in this is gonna be really hard. Have you guys ever seen primer in a spray? Let's try it. Glow in the city. Ooh, we are glowing in the city, y'all. If I'm not mistaken, is this not almost just like the Anastasia Beverly Hills logo? They have a whole section full of NYX makeup. But we're here to try new things, so we're gonna walk away from that. Anyway, let's go and pay for this stuff. Okay, y'all, we are outie. We have our beauty store haul, and guess what? This whole bag of stuff only cost me 60 bucks. I really can't wait to try it. Okay, guys, so we are back, and we finally get to try out these new beauty store products that we bought. So, y'all, I got a bunch of stuff. I'm gonna try to test all of it for you guys. I'm gonna do some swatches and all that great stuff. I'm gonna start by priming my face with this Clean Color Pro Prep and Prime, and you guys, this was a $2.99. Let me comb these nappy eyebrows first. Hold on. But I've never heard of spray on makeup primer, so I'm gonna give it a go, you know? Oh God. Yeah, it shoots like a cannon. Very spreadable, but y'all, I'm not gonna lie, this stuff is really thin. I mean, it's a little tacky. We're gonna move on to the foundation that we bought. LA Colors Truly Matte. And you guys wanna know what this looks a lot like to me? Please look at these bottles and tell me they're not almost twins. So I'm assuming that this is gonna be a knockoff of this Smashbox Studio Skin. As soon as I have this lid off, you can really see it. It's almost identical. Ew. Y'all, it kind of smells like house paint. And I've got a little beauty blender as well. Normally I would wet them, but I want to see the performance of this foundation on its own. It is matte. Definitely not the best foundation that I've ever used, but I guess the question here is, does it compare to Smashbox Studio Skin? And with the way it feels, you know, the formula is pretty lightweight. I'm not gonna lie, it did take a lot of it to cover my whole entire face, like 4 or 5 pumps type stuff. But, you know, it does its job. It gets it done. So now that it's really starting to set in, like, you can really, really, really see my pores. I don't have huge pores, so it might be a little hard to see on camera. It really sits down in your pores, and that's not really something that I particularly like my foundation to do. Next, I have RK by Kiss. That's some HD concealer and foundation. Girl, when was the last time you saw one of these applicators? I'm over it. Okay, we're gonna try it. We're gonna try it, okay? Okay, y'all, so, I mean, I laughed at this applicator tip at first, but, I mean, I guess it does give you a little bit of a precision point, I guess. At this point, my face feels a little cakey. Okay. Y'all, I got this banana powder by NK Makeup Perfection. And y'all, they put a whole new definition to banana powder because this stuff is yellow. Let's see how this powder even feels. This is the yellowest banana powder I've ever seen in my life. I mean, the consistency is really soft. It's really smooth. Into this, and I'm just gonna, oh Lord, this is yellow. Girl, this is sun on the beach yellow. Like, it doesn't go on that bad. So there is hope. I wouldn't say it's the best color for my skin tone. I definitely wouldn't say it's the best color for anybody lighter than me. But it does its job. Y'all, I'm really stoked about this particular product right here because it's just really shiny. Like, it's called Magic Collection Glow Face Bronzer. This color is called Terracotta 03. Okay. Oh, sis, it's shiny now. It's, y'all, I'm not mad at it at all. You know, it's really shiny. It's really beautiful. Like, girlfriend. Okay, we're gonna try this one happily. Oh, okay. $5.99. Girl, Magic Collection. If you hate on Magic Collection, you're a hater. I mean, it's a good product. I'm excited to try this product as well. NK Makeup again, and it's called Perfection Highlighter. This color is called 24K Gold. It looks even shinier when you open it. Girl. Oh my God. They have this in an assortment of colors. Like, I should have got some more of these, honestly. That is highlighter. So I'm gonna take my brush by It Cosmetics. It's popping. It's really popping. Yo, this stuff is shiny as hell. Like, it's soft, it's shiny, it's highlighter. Like, done. Let's try some of our eyeshadows that we got. 10 colors, 10 perfect 10 colors. Okay, I love shine. And it comes with this little fantastic brush right here. It's pristine, y'all. Okay. Oh my god, is it only glittery on top? No. Let's see. Okay. Alright. Oh! Oh! Okay. It has pigment. This is the yellow white looking ones. Most of them are good. The only one that I don't really care for is the pink. And this little bluish shade right here. Oh no, y'all, it doesn't show up great on your eyelids at all. To me, it's a lost cause. This is Beauty Treats. We're gonna try this one. All right. Oh, boo. Y'all, it sucks. I mean, it stays on your fingers though, that's for sure. But I mean, we're doing makeup looks, so I'm gonna take the blue one and I'm gonna put it over this blue. Yeah, this is not for me. I really need to try to finish the other eye. Okay, so we're gonna go back in with the other blue color. Oh, she wants to work a little bit better now, huh? Palette right here. It seems like once you layer it on a little bit, it works a lot better. Blend this out with some green. How about that? The pigment's great. Let's just see how this holds up. All right. I got these glitter mascaras. It doesn't sound very safe, but let's use the red one. This is also by Magic Collection. Last thing we used by Magic Collection was our bronzer, and it was pretty darn slapping. So, I mean, let's see. Yeah, ew. You know, she doesn't add that much length. And to me, the purpose of mascara is to add length. Not great, I mean, but it definitely turns my eyelashes red. I mean, I can't lie about that. Let's see if it's buildable. She looks a little bit buildable. I'm gonna try the silver one on the bottom. As far as length goes, silver doesn't work at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a guess that the darker colors work just a little bit better. Next cool little thing that I found were these matte lipsticks. They kind of, to me, remind me of knockoffs of Jeffree Star's product. Let me wipe my arm so we can do some more swatches of this. Let's try this purple one first. Let's see. I don't hate these. Let's find out here. It's a hit or miss, and this is definitely a hit. I guess let's try one on. Oh, and she... I just can't seem to get this to apply evenly. Yeah, y'all, no. No, boo. Maybe it's just the green one. Let's try this blue. It applies a little bit more evenly. The purple applies well as well. And as this dries, it does get matte. Go figure, y'all. Red definitely applies the best. I mean, it stays put for the most part, though. It does come off just a little bit, though. I mean, for $2.99, I can't be terribly mad at it. And they do kind of stain, which is a no-no for me. I was pretty excited about these. To me, these look like knockoff Kylie glosses, but these are called Diamond Glow. This is by that brand again, Nickak. That's the same brand as our eyeshadow that we have on. It smells a little bit like cherries. I'm gonna try this color, Classy. Looks. Oh, it is not bad. Not bad. Okay, this one's called Elegant. Let's do a swatch right beside Classy. You know what, guys? These are actually pretty great. I'm not gonna lie to you. I actually really like them. I'm gonna go in with that second color, Elegant, and I'm just gonna put that one on. It's shiny. I dig it. I like this. This is a good lip gloss right here. Lastly, oh my goodness, thanks. No, that's not good, y'all. That clearly means this wasn't sealed well, so I guess we're not gonna be able to, yeah. Sorry, y'all, I won't use something that's not sealed very well. But this was supposed to be my finishing spray. I'll spray it on my hand just to see. It's setting spray. Like, I mean, can setting spray really be wrong? Ignore that question. Yes, setting spray can go wrong. That's a bummer. We're not going to get to use it, but I will. All right, so lastly, I got some eyelashes from these beauty stores. But the bands on these are thick. These are really difficult to put on. Like, I'm not going to lie to you. These are just difficult. Like, they're hanging off a little bit. Not great. So that's everything that I bought today. Now I'm just gonna go over the products with you guys that I would personally buy again and what I would recommend. The foundation's gonna be a no for me. So is the concealer. I mean, it held up well. The eyeshadow is surprisingly very pigmented. It doesn't seem to fade after a while, which is a really good thing to me. So that's not bad, you know. I would buy it again, but the glitter shadow is a no, ma'am. No, 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 no. As far as these matte lipsticks go, all of them are okay except this green one. I wouldn't recommend the neon ones. So these are a yes, this is a no. I think we already know that this glitter mascara is a bust. The primer seems to be holding my makeup on well, so I can't complain about that. These eyelashes are a little bit atrocious. Maybe a different style would be better. For 28, that's gonna be a no. But the three products that I really did love, like genuinely guys, and I actually might continue to wear are the bronzer, the highlighter, and these glosses. Like, some of the best makeup products I've tried. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I can't hate on them. They did a really good job with these. They're really pigmented and these glosses are really shiny. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video and the products that I reviewed in it, please feel free to share and please subscribe, guys. Tune back into Live Daily later in the week for more content. Thank you. Bye, y'all.